Welcome children. Today we are learn the word of animals. Okay. So at first told me, are the animals are living things or non-living things? Animals are living things. Okay. Animals are living things. Because animals can move one place to another place for their shelter, food, protection, etc. So animals are move from one place to another place. They eat to grow. Okay, they eat. They can grow because we kept some small puppy in our home, and day by day it can grow, and one day it can complete as a dog. So animals can grow. Next, animals can give baby. Animals can give baby. Next, animals one day animals can die. So one day animals can die. That is why animals are living things. Understand? So this is the criteria of a living things. So all the criteria fulfilled. So we can say that animals are living things. Understand? Now told me where animals can found. Where animals can found. So we see different kinds of animals in our surrounding. Animals are found all over the world, and there are various varieties. Okay, so today we can learn different kinds of animals. Different kinds of animals. Okay. First, domestic animal. So, which animals are domestic animals? We can keep some animals at our home for our own needed. Okay. They are very useful for us. They are called domestic animals. So example of domestic animals are cow, dog, goat, sheep, duck, hen, horse, etc. Like that. Cow give us milk. Ox, buffalo, etc. So cow give us milk, which is very useful for our health. Goat give us meat. Sheep give us fur and meat. Duck give us egg. Similarly, hen give us egg, meat. So these animals are very useful for us. So we can say these animals as a domestic animal. Understand? Okay. Now we can see the wild animal. Wild animal. So which animals are wild animals? Animals which live in the forest or jungle are called wild animal. We can also see the zoo in the zoo also. So animals which are live in jungle or forest or zoo. That types of some of the jungle animals are very dangerous. Understand? They are called wild animals. So example of wild animals are lion, tiger, elephant, giraffe, zebra, deer, cheetah, etc. and many more. So these animals called jungle animals because these animals can found on jungle or forest or sometimes in the zoo. Understand? These animals are very dangerous. Understand? Now what is the pet animal? Pet means which can we kept in our home. So third, pet animal. So we keep some animals at our home for fun and friendship. Okay, we should love them and take care of them. These types of animals we can call pet animal. So animals like dog, cat, rabbit, parrot are called pet animals. Understand? Now one interesting fact. Can you tell me animals are different from human? Are the animals are different from human? Yes, animals are different from human in many ways. First, human can talk. We can talk. I am talking with you. But animal cannot talk. Okay. Second, we eat cooked food. We eat cooked food. But animal did not cook their food. Did not cook. Not cook. Next, we live in a house. And in the house, we have many rooms like bathroom, kitchen, dining, bedroom, etc. But animals did not stay in that type of home. They cannot build that type of home. They can stay in a den, on the land, in the water, etc. Hmm? We can wear clothes. We wear clothes. But animals did not wear clothes. We wear clothes. But animals not wear clothes. Did not wear clothes. So these are the basic difference between human and animal. Understand? Okay. Now we live in a home, and our home has many rooms. Can you tell me where animals live? Where animals live? Where animals live? Or where is their house? So some animals live on the land. On the land. Some animals live on the land. Some animals live in the water. In the water. And some animals live both on land and in water. Some animals live both on the land and in the water. Okay. Some animals live on the tree. Some animals live on the tree. Understand? So according to their living areas, we can separate animals in some way. First, land animal. Okay. Animals that live on the land. Animals that live on the land. Animals that live on the land are called land animals. Okay. Example of land animals: elephant, tiger, deer, lion, giraffe, zebra, dog, cat. So these animals can live on a land. So we can say this animal as land animal. Understand? So example: tiger, deer, elephant, lion, dog, cat, cow, hen, these animals, etc. Giraffe, etc. Zebra are live on the land. These animals live on the land. So we can say that these animals as land animals. Understand? Now, second is water animal. Water animals. So animals that live in the water. Animals that live in the water. are called water animals. Understand? So, animals that live in the water are called water animals. Example, whale, dolphin, shark, fish, seahorse, octopus, crab, squid are water animals. Understand? So, fish, whale, dolphin, whale, dolphin, seahorse, starfish, octopus, etc. are water animals. Next, some animals live both on land and in the water. Some animals live both on land and in water. Both land and water. Okay. Such animals are crocodile, frog, turtle, duck. That is also called amphibians. Okay. So example, frog, duck, crab, crocodile, turtle. That type of animals live both on land and water. So we can say that these animals are land and water both. So we can say these animals as amphibians. Amphibians. Okay. Next, some animals live on the tree. Some animals live on the tree. Example, birds, monkey, quails are live on the tree. Understand? So this is the different kinds of animals. Now, can you tell all animals are same size or different size? Animals are many types and many size. Understand? Some animals are very big like elephant, hippopotamus. Some animals are small like rat, ant, mouse, cat, etc. Some animals are big and tall like giraffe, camel, etc. Okay, so animals are different size. Different size. Some animals are very big. Some are small. Some are tall. Some are short. So big animals are elephant, small rat, cat, tall giraffe, camel, short porcupine. Understand? Next. So we can say different size. First, Some animals are very big. Example, elephant, hippo, blue whale, etc. Some animals are very tall, like giraffe, camel, etc. Some are very short or small. Some are small, like rat, cat, porcupine, etc. So animals have different body size. Understand? Next, animals have many colors. Animals have many colors. Animals have many colors. Many colors. Understand? So, color, body color. Some animals match their body color with the surrounding to protect themselves from their enemies by using their color or change their color. So animals can change their color to match their surrounding to protect themselves from enemies, to find their food. Understand? Okay. We can see some example. Animals like grasshopper, polar bear, body color match with surrounding. Grasshopper, polar bear, body color match with their surrounding. So grasshopper match with grass or leaves to protect from eagle or some other birds like hen, owl, etc. But owl did not get on the day. So grasshopper protect with his body color. Okay. Polar bear. Polar bear found in polar region. In snow. And the color of snow is white. Also polar bear is white. So polar bear and snow match with one another. Okay. And there some animals did not show polar bear, and once saw on polar and he get his food from them. So polar bear can get food with the help of his body color. Next, animals like chameleons change their body color to match their surrounding. Animals like chameleon match with his body color with the surrounding. He can change his body color. Okay. Next, insects such as stick and leaf insects look like stick and leaf, and that's help them to protect from their enemies. Okay. Next, some animals like zebra, deer, leopard, tiger have strips on their body or skin to help them hide in matching surrounding. So, tiger, cheetah, zebra have strip on all over the body. Strips on the body which can help to hide in matching surrounding. Understand? Tiger can easily hide from grass. Okay, understand? So, animals have many colors to protect themselves from their enemies or to find their food. Understand? Now, next point. Animals have different body covering. Animals have different body covering. Different body covering. So animals have different types of body covering. Can you see turtle? Okay. Turtle have a hard shell on his back. Similarly, crab. So we see animals have different body covering. Okay. First, polar bear, Arctic fox live in cold polar region. First, polar bear, Arctic fox live in cold polar region. Cold polar region. These animals have thick fur on their body to live in a cold place. These animals have thick fur on his body to survive, to live to the very cold place. Understand? So body cover help the animals to live in different types of regions or different location, like polar bear, Arctic fox live in very cold polar region. So they have thick fur on their body that help them to survive such as cold place. Understand? Next, also similar, penguin, seal have thick layer of fat under their skin to give the body warmth in very cold place. Understand? So similarly, penguin, seal have thick layer of fat, thick layer of fat under their skin to survive in such cold place. Next, some animals like bird, duck, hen are covered with what? Feathers. So, some animals like bird, hen, duck are covered with feathers. Feathers. Some animals like fish cover with scale. Fish cover with what? Scale. Scale. So all the body of fish have like scales. Understand? Some animals like carp, turtle are covered with hard out shell. Hard shell. So, some animals like crab, turtle covered with hard outside shell. Hard outside shell. Understand? So, how can body cover help the animal? How body cover help the animal? So, body cover protect the animal from their enemies and harsh weather like cold, heat, from the rain, etc. So, body cover help the animal from their enemies, from their enemies and harsh weather. Harsh weather like rain, cold, hot, etc. Understand? Now, one second sir. Now, animals have different type of appendages. Animals have different type of appendages. Animals have different types of appendages. They have different body parts. Each part of has its unique features. So, animals have different type of body parts. Each part has its unique features. Okay? Their body parts enable them to move, to fly, to breathe, even to defend themselves from their enemies. Understand? So, animals' appendages help them to move, to fly, to protect themselves from their enemies, to find their food, etc. Okay. Example, we can see some examples. Okay. Animals like cow, buffalo, lamb, cow, buffalo, goat, sheep use their horn. So, cow, ox, sheep, deer use their horn to protect from their enemies. So cow, ox, sheep, deer protect from their enemies using their horn, or sometimes it can break the tree. It can break the tree or branch of the tree, and they can eat the leaves easily. Understand? Next, the tail and also their horn and tail. Tails help the tails help the keep the insects from them. Understand? Keep the insect or fly. Keep away the insects and fly. Now, bird. Bird using their wings to fly. Bird use their wings. Wings to fly. Understand? So birds use their wings to fly in the sky. And also birds use their beak to eating or fighting or building next, etc. Also birds has a breaks to which helps to eat, fight or building their nest. Understands? So birds use their wings to fly in the sky, and birds use their beaks to eat, to fight and to building their nest. Understand? Next, fish. Fish use their fin to swim in the water. Fish use their fins to swim in the water. Understand? Next. And some other animals like frog. Frog use their tongue to eating insects. Elephant is a trunk. Elephant has a trunk. To eat food or break their food, sometimes to fight or fun. Understand? Tiger, lion. Tiger has a paws. Tiger has paws to attack someone, some other animals. Understand? Similarly, lion. Lion has mane. Do you see lion in a zoo or televisions? Lion has a mane in his face. Huh? So this is the lion and this is the mane. This is the mane. Understand? Lion has a mane. Similarly, all of our favorite monkey. Monkey has a long tail. Long tail. And the long tail helps the monkey to balance in a branch. Understand? Long tail helps the monkey to balance in a branch or keep away flies or insects. Understand? Next, giraffe. Giraffe have a long neck. Long neck to eating, to help their eating. The long neck can easily sorry. Okay. Long neck can easily collect their food from branches. Understand? Okay. Next. Turtle. Turtle has a hard shell. Okay? Hard shell. Hard shell. Which protect from enemies. Which protect from enemies. Understand? Or protect from bad weather like rain, hot, cold, etc. Understand? So, this is called animals' appendages. And I think you understand how appendages help the animals. Understand? Now, animals need air, water and food. Animals need air, water and food. At first, I told animals are living things and all the living things need air, water and food to grow. Okay, animals need air, water and food to grow and to be healthy. Animals do not prepare their food. Animals do not prepare their own food, but depend on the plant, depend on other animals for it. Understand? So, animals depend on plant or other animals for their food. Understand? Some animals can depend both on plant and other animals. Some animals depend on plant and other animals. Understand? Now I need water, so please just a second. Okay, sorry. So according their food habit, we can separate animals in different ways. Some animals eat only plant. We can say that plant eating animals. Plant eating animals. Some animals like cow, goat, deer, giraffe, zebra, or ox, or eat only plants part or grass. Okay, they are called plant eating animals. Understand? So, animals like cow, goat, deer, giraffe, zebra, ox are eating only plants part or grass. They are called plant eating animals. Understand? Okay? Next, animals eating other animals or class of other animals. Animals eating other animals class. Understand? So, like tiger, lion, crocodile, wolves, fox, snake are eating only other animals flesh. They are called flesh eating animals or animals eating other animals. Understand? So, example like tiger, lion, fox, wolves, snake eat only other animals' flesh. Understand? Next, some animals eat other animal flesh and also plant. Plant and animals flesh. Other animals flesh. Like bear, crow, peacock, hen, duck eat plants and other animals flesh. So these animals called animals eating plant and other animals. Okay? Or omnivorous. So according to their food habit, according to animals' food habit, we can separate animals in three ways. First, plant eating animals which eating only plants part like grass, branches or leaves, etc. They are called plant eating animals. Example, cow, goat, then ox. Some animals, giraffe, zebra, etc. Some animals eat only other animals' flesh, like tiger, lion, fox, etc. And some animals eat both the plant and other animals' flesh, like bear, crow, duck, dog also. Then, sorry. Okay. Next, we can read animals movement. Animals movement. Okay, just a second. I can hold. Okay. Sorry. Now we can read animals movement. Animals movement. Animals movement. Okay. Animals move one place to another place for food, for water, for shelter, and for protect themselves from their enemies, like us, like human. Okay? Like humans, animals also move one place to another place for food, water, shelter, and to protect themselves from their enemies. To protect themselves from their enemies. Okay, understand? So animals move one place to another place for food, water, shelter, and to protect themselves from their enemies. Understand? Now we can see some animals movement. Okay, in which organ they can move one place to another place. Animals like tiger, elephant, deer, dog, cow, giraffe, camel, ox, cheetah, horse, zebra can run and walk using their legs. Okay. So many animals run and walk using their legs, like tiger, cheetah, lion are run. Cheetah is fastest animal. Okay, cheetah is runs very speed. Okay. Some animals like snake, snail are cruel on land. So some animals first walk and run. Some animals cruel like snail. Arthur, snake are cruel on land. Next, fish, dolphin, use their fin to swim. Swim. Fish, dolphin, shark. Dolphin, shark use their fin to swim in the water. Okay. Bird, butterfly use their wings to fly in the sky. Understand? Birds, bat, butterfly, bat, butterfly use their wings to fly in the sky. Understand? Some animals like kangaroo, grasshopper move to jump, called hopping. Hopping. So I can remove this. Hopping, which kangaroo, grasshopper move one place to another place by jumping. That is called hopping. Understand? So, we can see some animals movement name. Okay? Animals movement name. Rabbit, frog, kangaroo are move one place to another place by kangaroo no. Rabbit, frog move one place to another place by leg. Laugh. So, rabbit, frog's movement name is laugh. Sparrow, kangaroo, grasshopper. Kangaroo, grasshopper. Movement name is whooping. Whooping. Understand? Elephant, cow, camel can walk to move one place to another place. Walk. Understand? Elephant, cow, kangaroo can walk to move one place to another place. Snail, snake, quail to move one place to another place. So, snake, snail can quail to move one place to another place. Now we can remove first two and also three. Next, bird, bat, butterfly can fly using their wings to move one place to another place. Fish, crocodile, dolphin, shark are swim in the water to move one place to another place. Next, cheetah. Okay. Tiger, deer, lion can run run. To move one place to another place. Understand? So these are the animals movement name. Now tell me, at first I told you why animals move one place to another place. Why? Why animals move one place to another place? Why animals move? Animals move one place to another place for food, for water, for protection, for shelter. Understand? So animals move one place to another place for searching of food, water, for protection, for shelter. Understand? Now we can move another chapter. Animals need home. Animals need home. Animals need home. We live in our house. Animals also live in their house. Some we live in our house. Similarly, animals also live in their house. Some animals live on the tree. Some animals live on the tree. Some animals live on the land. And some animals live in the water. And some animals live underground. Okay? Some animals live underground. So, animals like animals like bird, monkey are live in the tree. Bird, monkey, squirrel live on the tree. Animals like tiger, giraffe, deer, bear, lion, elephant are live on the land. Animals like fish, dolphin, seahorse, octopus live in the water. Some animals like rabbit, snake live under the ground or live underground. Understand? And some animals live on land and in the water. Both on land and in the water. Some animals live both on land and in the water, like duck, crocodile, turtle, etc. Crab live both on land and in the water. Okay. So now we can see some animals' home name. Okay. Some animals whom name. Okay. So first, the dog live in a kennel. Animals home name like dog lives in a kennel. So where dog lives, we can say the dog lives in a kennel. Cow lives in a shed. Cow lives in a shed. Okay. Horse live in a stable. Stable. Okay. Bird lives in a where? Nest. Lion, tiger lives in a den. Lion, tiger, bear lives in a den. Now we can remove first lines. Fish live in a pond or water bodies and aquarium. So fish lives in the pond or any water body like river, sea and aquarium. Okay. Next, hen live in a cove. Hen live in a cove. Bee live in a hive. Bee live in a hive. Understand? And last, spider lives in a where? Wave. Spider lives in a wave. So we can say animals have home name. First, dog live in a kennel. Next, cow live in a shed. Horse live in a stable. Bird live in a nest. Lion, tiger, bear lives in a den. So lions live in a den. Tiger lives in a den. Bear lives in a den. Fish live in a pond or any water body and aquarium. Okay. Hen lives in a cove. Bee lives in a hive. Spider lives in a wave. Understand? Next, animals and their baby. Okay. First we see life cycle of animals. Okay, butterfly. Life cycles means one animals give birth their babies and the babies can grow and next the baby can birth another, and baby can grow, and one day the baby can be a animals, and they can also grow another babies. Okay, this is called life cycle, and it is a continuous process. Understand? It is a continuous process. Okay, so one generation gave birth to another generations, and another generations also give birth another generations, and this process is cycling process. This process can run over and over time. Understand? This is called life cycle. Okay, so first we see the life cycles of butterfly. Butterfly. So butterfly can lay eggs. Butterfly first. Butterfly can lay eggs. Eggs. Then these eggs form to a caterpillar. 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 Then the caterpillar can form sessile. 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 Okay, and the sessile is form a some day after the sessile form a butterfly. Butterfly. This is the life cycles of butterfly. First, butterfly lay eggs, and the eggs can form a caterpillar, and after some days the caterpillar form sessile, and then after some times the sessile form a butterfly. Okay, and this process can repeated again and again. This is called the life cycle of butterfly. Understand? This is the life cycle of butterfly. Similarly, life cycle of frog. Life cycle of frog. Frog can lay mass of eggs in the pond, and the eggs can form okay. So now we can another example of duck hen. Life cycle of hen. Understand? So hen at first lay eggs. Okay, lay eggs, and the eggs hatched and give a hatching. Okay, now these hatchings can form a what? Chick. So that is hatching, lay eggs, then eggs can form a hatching, and then chick. This is called chick. Chick, and after some days the chick can grow and form a hen. And also hen give egg, and this process is continuous process. One hen, first hen give egg, then egg can hatching and a baby birth. This is called chick hatching, and it's from a chick, and chick can grow and from a chicken or hen. Understand? Similarly, duck or goose. goose, eggs, hatching, then goosling, goosling and goosling from a hen. Gooselings from a gooselings from a goose. This is the life cycles of an animal, and it is a continuous process. Understand? Now we can say, or we can, the cow life cycle. Cow. So cow lay eggs? No. Cow did not lay eggs. Cow can birth a baby. Okay. Cow can give a baby. So cow can give calf, and calf grow and we form another cow, and cow also give a baby calf, and this process is runs continuously. So some animals like birds, snake are lay eggs. Some animals like bird, snakes, turtle lay eggs to give their to birth their babies, and some animals can birth their baby. Okay, some animals like cow, dog, tiger, lion, elephant, goat can birth their babies. Understand? Now we can see some animals and their baby name. Okay, some animals and their baby's name. Some animals and their baby name. First, cow. Cow's baby name is calf. Dog. Dog's baby name is puppy or pup. Cat. Cat's baby name is kitten. Sheep baby name is lamb. Goat baby name is kid. Goat baby name is kid. Pig baby name is piglet. Horse baby name is fuel. Okay. Rabbit baby name is kit. Understands? And all these animals can give birth their babies. These animals birth their babies. Also, another example, deer. Deer baby name is fawn. Kangaroo. Kangaroo. Kangaroo baby name is Joey. Joey. Kangaroo baby name is Joey. Lion. Cub. Lion, tiger, baby name is cub. Okay, all these animals can birth their babies, and some animals can lay eggs, like another example of ant. Pupa. Okay, hen, chick, duck, duckling, goose, gooseling. Okay, now so animals and their baby names complete. Now we can read. Okay, so this is the completions of these chapters. I think you are enjoying in my session. Okay, thank you. See you in next chapter. Okay, bye.